drove down south from Borobudur past Jogja to the southern coast here. Low tide, there's these like really interesting tide pools. There is water, but it's a little bit dicey. It's a wacky little spot. I like it. Going in?
Gonna try.
Nice. You gonna float? We found a private lagoon, and Lainey's in it. So we're walking right on the tidal line. I'm in like ankle deep water right now. It's probably not a super smart place to be. So we're gonna try to get to that big rock there and then call it a tide. It is beautiful out here though, but yeah, the ocean's coming in and it doesn't give a crap about your plans. Hey ocean. Walking for fitness. Time to go. This place is amazing. There's all these like low tide caverns. It's like every time we turn the corner, there's just another super beautiful cave formation. I don't know what these are, but they're gonna give me nightmares.
His body is literally moving out of the sand.
Run, Starboy, run! So we came back from the beach. We're just gonna grab a quick coconut. Apparently it's the off season. We're like literally the only people in any of these huts. Pantai Krakal is ridiculous.
It's also minutes from where we're staying.
We walked here, it's 100 yards from our hotel, and like, oh! But we're just blown away by the beauty of this beach and how quiet it is. I know it's the off season, but damn! And there's no one here.
Also, there's just warungs lining the entire beach. So if you just want to sit and have a coconut or a coffee, you can just enjoy this sea breeze. It's so much cooler than inland in the actual city of Jogja.
Like I got goosebumps just now from the breeze while you were talking. We're at Pantai Jogan. November, the wet season hasn't really started yet. Nobody here. There's like literally no one working, no one trying to sell stuff. We're just walking up this bamboo bridge to a couple of lookouts. It's just us. Look at the water behind you, like the veins of sand in between the coral.
In the wet season, this is a waterfall. It's supposed to be quite dramatic.
We're gonna try to swim in a little rock lagoon at low tide because it's absolutely beautiful. And it's the dry season, so there's just literally no one here. Day of exploration and kind of problem solving, which is always fun. Get off the tourist track a little bit. We're gonna try to swim. We'll see what happens. Hey Lainey, are you gonna get in your own little private hot pool? What happened? Where's your heavier body?
Where's my legs? Ah!
Right on the tide line. You can have a nice little swim. Lainey's getting in too. I love it.
It's really cold and slippery.
It's a little slippy.
Yeah.
Nice.
Here. We built a city and things to cross. I don't know how it goes. There are tons of beautiful beaches in this special region of Yogyakarta. We only barely scratched the surface. Next time, we hope to do a whole beach tour. See you again, Java.